Yo, Nike's been going crazy with the Air Max 95 for the 30th anniversary and all the grades have been coming out, and this time we're reviewing the Air Max 95 Solar Red. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you're having a great time out there, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm reviewing the Air Max 95 Solar Red, another OG gradient that released in 1995. But before we look at this, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down like we always do, and please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast with me and the bro 808 Kicks ATO. Go follow the bro at 808 Kicks _ ATO. Go and show him some love and support, because he always comes and shows the channel love and support. And also please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast, where we talk about sneaker drama, sneaker news, sneaker bad behavior, because we always take that to sneaker court of public opinion. And last but not least, guys, keep doing amazing things that you guys keep doing, to keep growing, to keep elevating, to keep hitting your targets, to keep hitting your goals, because I want you to win. You guys need to keep winning. You guys need to keep growing. You guys need to keep being amazing, and that's the most important thing, because it's all about elevating and growing, guys. But today, like I said, let's take a look at another OG gradient. This is the Air Max 95 Solar Red. As you can see from the B-roll, guys, we're looking at the Air Max 95 Solar Red, the gradient Solar Red. They're actually dropping loads of gradient Solar Reds, and I think this might be the last gradient we actually see from the actual pack. It's coming to the end of the year, but this is an absolute banger. The Solar Red actually released in 1995. It re-retroed in 2011, came back out in 2018, and it makes its appearance on the 10th of October. Basically came out this year in 2025 in the big bubble form. And I've done my comparison on the big bubble. Go and check that out, guys. But this is not my sneaker. This is for the bro. He actually reached out and said if there was a sneaker, if this was available after the fact they actually released it. And I basically picked this up after it released on October the 10th, and now I'm about to do the review for this sneaker, because they were actually sitting in store, went to actual, I think, a commercial street for Offspring, and basically picked them up. And this is an absolute banger for the bro. This is a size 8, so don't wait for the end for the on feet. This is not going to my feet. This is definitely going to the bro, and as soon as this review is done, it's going to the bro. But before we look at the sneaker, let's take a look at the box, because hey, presto shabang, and as you can see, it is the regular Nike box, the red box with Nike ear all over this, the swoosh and the Nike, and basically the affiliated writing at the bottom. You get normal tissue paper with this as well, regular tissue paper. You got all the stamps. You got basically a pass stamp there. You got the stamp at the top there. It's all legit. Came from the retailers about a week after it dropped, or I think during the week after it dropped, and I actually got time to actually do the review. And as you can see from the labels, that's what the label looks like. This is where it basically came from. This is what the box label looks like. That's how it should be. That's how it should come, because the box label reads Air Max 95 OG, because it's the OG gradient Solar Red. It is black Solar Red mid ash. That's what the actual color coding reads on this. This is a size 9 UK, size 8, size 9 US, size 8 UK, 10.5 in the ladies, and the code reads IM7410001. That's how it should be. That's how it should come, and it should read like this, guys. Make sure it comes like this, guys. But that was the box, because that's basically what the box looks like, and it comes like. Now let's take a look at these sneakers. It's sneaker time, so hey, presto shot bang, and as you can see, guys, this is the Air Max 95 Solar Red. As you can see, this is the gradient variation. This is the OG gradient, which basically goes from that dark gray all the way to that light gray with the mesh, and then you can see the solar actual lace holes for this. It basically, the loopholes come into the sneakers, come out the sneakers, and actually attach the laces to this, and you can see already This doesn't look like solar red to guys. This actually looks a bit infrared to me. I would have expected that solar red to pop a bit more, and unfortunately it kind of is verging on the infrared, if I'm honest, but it's still a banging sneaker. As you can see, more of the actual solar red hits the Air Max on the tongue tag. You got the black and the grey and all of that writing in half white and half solar red, and you can see the actual tongue tag label, or the tag itself, it's got that solar red all around this white tag, white tongue, and you got a reflective actual, basically locking all the laces, that overlap on the laces, all reflective, and all of that reflectiveness comes on the back of this as well, where you got an Air Max on this. Absolutely beautiful. The reflection on the Air Max is so good, absolutely beautiful on this. A Nike Air on the back, as you can see. Obviously inside the insole, let's take the insole out because it comes with tissue paper, remember that guys, and it actually has more of that solar red. It literally does look like infrared. It's got that solar red kind of insole on this as well, and it's got normal kind of insole that you normally get. I think this is polyurethane insole. This is like the old style insoles, and then guys, all of this composes into this beautiful toe. I actually like the black toe on the actual Air Max 95. Beautiful gradient on this. As you can see, gradients through to the max, and you've got more of that solar red on the actual back with the swoosh, and even the air unit on this has got that solar red encapsulated into the unit. As you can see, throughout it's got that solar red. But I did notice one thing is that the big bubble is more cushier. The big bubble is more, you can get more give on this. As you can see, I'm pressing it, you can see it's giving a lot of give. It's got that beautiful big bubble crease that indicates that this is the big bubble unit of the actual Air Max 95. You can see it comes with white laces. That's the only laces it comes with, and then that beautiful solar red hits the outsole. Black and solar red is absolutely beautiful, and then you got that whole skeletal system through the bottom of this. It is just beautiful, absolutely delightful, absolutely beautiful, and this is a magnificent sneaker in my personal opinion. I like this. It could have been a bit more brighter red, if I'm honest. Solar red would have been a bit more, I think I needed that bit more of that red pop on this, but it just is more of that infrared. I think the camera actually dilutes the color in my personal opinion, but this is in between solar red and infrared, if I'm honest. Love the mesh. The Air Max 95 has got this beautiful mesh that covers those loopholes, or the actual loopholes for the laces. Absolutely beautiful, and that is the sneaker. It's basically a absolutely beautiful gradient which actually came out on the 10th of October. Resale isn't doing much, so you can actually pick this up. I think you can still get these in some retailers if you're lucky, but they are actually selling out. But the quality on this is good. There's nothing in terms of glue stain that actually is a cause for concern, if I'm honest. I'm going to take a look at the left side, because no, there's no concern. There's no glue marks on this. It's just clean, absolutely clean. And that swoosh on the back, that absolutely beautiful solar red swoosh encapsulated in that black stitching around it. That is dope, that is fire. Gradient, they did these gradients so well. You've got the neons, you got the actual pink foams, you've got so many gradients this year. This is a beautiful rendition. It's going to be comfortable because obviously the big bubble is a bit more bigger. The unit is a bit more bigger. It does fit to size. It's true to size. Go true to size because it will fit you perfectly, guys. That's my opinion on this. It's an absolutely beautiful sneaker to have on feet. It's an absolutely beautiful sneaker to wear on your feet. This is going to pop. And the only thing that I actually kind of a bit disappointed about is the color. The actual solar red should be slightly redder, if my personal opinion, but other than that, beautiful, reflective on the tongue as well. But like I do in this channel, I'm going to give you that 360-degree rotation. I'm going to give you the front perspective, the booty action back perspective with the Nike Air on the back, the lateral side, look at that beautiful sneaker, the medial side, and that beautiful outsole, giving you that 360-degree rotation. Make sure it's on your feet. Make sure you keep bringing the heat, and make sure you keep bringing all those gradients to the street. That's where they belong. Wear those sneakers. These are absolutely beautiful, guys. I'm going to give this a 5 goats. Good sneaker. very good sneaker, absolutely dope. For the bro, he's gonna love it, he's gonna wear it, he's gonna rock it, and he always matches his socks. So I'm gonna send this to the bro, and this is gonna be on his feet soon. Make sure you wear your sneakers, guys. This was the review for the Air Max 95 Solar Red. Absolutely gorgeous and absolutely beautiful, guys. This is a nice sneaker, absolutely nice sneaker. I'm gonna go and try and get some more Air Maxes in the future. There are more Air Maxes coming out in the 1st of November, so I'm gonna try and get that. There's a SB Air Max coming out, that's what I'm trying for. So let's see what happens with that. But for me, TJ at Love Kid Customs, hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And hope you guys cop the sneakers you like, because you deserve to get the sneakers you want. From me, TJ at Love Kid Customs. Until the next review, peace out now, guys, and peace.